How to get Battle Pass XP on Anime Vanguards. Now, this process or method is actually a general challenges that comes or different kinds of challenges that these games offers for us to be able to get those XP out. So just simply open up your Roblox application and then just head directly to the search bar and then just simply type in Anime Vanguards. Now there are multiple events that the specific experience directly from Roblox has to offer, and they also have a certain amount of XP on how much you'll be receiving depending on the challenge that you will participate. So what you want to do to level up fast using those battle passes XP is just to check out and participate to all of the challenges for you to have those certain XP on the battle pass. Now you can also multiply your XP up to times 2 if you can, complete the challenges 2 in a row, 3 in a row, or more. So those are the easiest thing that you can do without any techniques for you to be able to have the Battles Pass XP on Anime Vanguards.